If you're trying to scan a QR code using the Shopee app, the process is very quick and doesn't require anything extra. Start by opening the Shopee app on your phone. Once you're on the main home screen, look toward the upper right corner. You'll see a small square-shaped icon that resembles a QR code. Tap that to open the scanner instantly. There's also a second way to access the QR scanner, which is especially useful when you're trying to pay a merchant. Go to ShopeePay from the home screen. Inside the ShopeePay menu, you'll see a scan option as well. Both paths lead to the exact same scanning tool, so use whichever one is more convenient for what you're doing. As soon as you tap the scan icon, the Shopee camera interface will load. Point your phone toward the QR code you want to scan. You don't need to press anything. Shopee automatically detects the code once it's inside the frame. What happens next depends entirely on the type of QR code you scanned. If the QR code is for a payment, you'll see the merchant details appear on your screen. You might see the shop name, the payment amount, or a field where you can type the amount manually. Just confirm the transaction using your ShopeePay balance or linked payment method. If the code is for a product, Shopee will automatically redirect you to the product's page. From there, you can view details, check reviews, compare options, or add the item directly to your cart. If the QR code is for a voucher, discount, or promo, Shopee may either apply it instantly to your account or show a big claim button you can tap. A couple of important tips to avoid scanning issues. Make sure Shopee has permission to use your camera in your phone settings. Keep your hand steady and make sure you're in a well-lit area so the camera can read the code properly. Once everything is aligned, Shopee handles the rest automatically.